Built on the #1 solution to run Windows on Macs, Parallels Desktop for Mac Business Edition allows IT administrators and users to easily use Windows applications on a Mac. For companies everywhere, buying computers for their employees can be a challenge, juggling with apps for different platforms like Windows and macOS. These problems are solved with Parallels Desktop for Mac Business Edition. Once installed, users can easily transfer and install Windows applications onto a Mac. They can use their Mac with the same speed and performance as if they were on a PC. Both operating systems can be used interchangeably as well, meaning Windows programs can be launched from the Mac dock and run using Mac gestures, with files dragged and dropped between the two. Parallels Desktop for Mac Business Edition also provides bolstered security features necessary for today's digital companies. IT administrators can enforce corporate policies and guidelines for both platforms. They can set and enforce restrictions on the use of external devices plugged into the Mac for Windows use. They can also encrypt the virtual PC with an added layer of security and create time-bound, encrypted virtual machines that automatically expire and lock when instructed. Companies adopting Parallels Desktop for Mac Business Edition can also take advantage of easy management features. Jamf Pro and Parallels Mac Management for SCCM certified mass deployment allows IT administrators to easily set up hundreds of clients in no time. Streamlined licensing provides a single license key for all installations, and single application mode allows administrators to provide Mac users with selected Windows apps without them noticing that Parallels Desktop or Windows is running. This software provides extra features designed to maximize employee productivity. Users can run multiple OSs simultaneously, switching between them with a single click. Printing can be done from Windows using the Mac Printer dialog without having to install PC drivers. They can now use Windows on all external displays connected to their Macs and run Windows-only external devices. Full Windows compatibility on a Mac. Bolstered security with enforced corporate policies. Easy management with streamlined licensing and enterprise-grade mass deployment. For all this and more, companies everywhere should adopt the #1 solution for cross-platform compatibility: Parallels Desktop for Mac Business Edition.